Charged or not, information scanty on who, if anyone, was from Rick's Cafe was charged for breaching COVID-19 protocols. COVID-19 toll 14 dead from the disease in a single day. And crash landing. JDF chopper goes down in Portmore St. Catherine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. What are your thoughts on plans to reopen the entertainment sector? Share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica or tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.